If you've ever been to a Japanese restaurant or watched a Japanese drama, you've probably seen people snacking on little green pods of edamame, and it instantly makes you curious. How exactly do Japanese people eat edamame? It might look simple, but there's actually a cultural charm and tradition behind it that makes the experience unique. Edamame, which are young soybeans still in their pods, are one of the most common side dishes or snacks in Japan, especially when enjoying drinks with friends. They're not just food, they're part of a social ritual. In Japan, edamame is usually served boiled or steamed with just a sprinkle of salt. The pods themselves are never eaten because they're tough and fibrous, but the beans inside are the real treasure. The way people eat them is surprisingly casual, but very satisfying. You simply pick up the salted pod with your fingers, place it gently between your lips, and then squeeze or bite just enough so that the beans pop right into your mouth. It's quick, fun, and has a little bit of that snackable quality that makes it addictive. You'll often see empty pods piling up in a small dish on the table, showing just how many you've eaten without even realizing it. Edamame is also strongly connected with the drinking culture in Japan. When you go to an izakaya, which is like a Japanese pub, edamame is one of the first dishes that will often land on your table, even before you order. It pairs perfectly with a cold beer because it's light, salty, and doesn't overwhelm the taste of the drink. For many Japanese people, this combination feels like the perfect way to start a relaxing evening with friends. At home, edamame is also very common, especially during the summer months when fresh edamame is in season. Families might prepare a big bowl and keep it on the table as a healthy snack for everyone. Kids love it because it's fun to eat, and adults appreciate it because it's nutritious and simple to make. Some people even flavor it with a little soy sauce, chili flakes, or garlic for a twist, though the traditional version is just plain salted. What makes the way Japanese people eat edamame so special isn't just the food itself, but the whole experience around it. It's casual, social, and comforting, something you can share with friends at a bar, enjoy quietly at home, or munch on during a summer festival. So the next time you see a bowl of edamame, try eating it the Japanese way, pod in hand, beans popping into your mouth, and a smile on your face.